Welcome back, dear Dinka learners. Let us change Dinka to English translations. 1. Deng achitweng gendit jubo. Deng achitweng gendit jubo means the rain has rained in Juba town. Deng achitweng gendit awil warakol. Deng achitweng gendit awil warakol. The rain has rained in a will town yesterday. Piu ideng achipin bor jubo. Piu ideng achipin bor jubo means rainwater has flooded Juba. Piu ideng achidel bor yich or piu ideng achikwer bor yich. Del and kwer mean the same, mean road. Rainwater has flooded the road. By a piu ding bor. By a piu ding bor means the home is flooded by rain water. The home is flooded by rain water. Bay a piu keding bor. Bay a piu keding bor means homes have been flooded by rain water. Homes have been flooded by rainwater. Kwer adit apay. Kwer adit ku akat apay dit. Kwer adit ku akat apay dit mean the currents is big and running fast. The current is big and running fast. This is sorry guys, running fast. The current is big and running fast. Akatapay did mean is running very fast. Current mean kwer. Pin achibor building. Pin achibor building means the place or ground is flooded by rainwater. The place or ground is flooded by rainwater. Pin achibor building. Pew rach. Pew rach. Pew rach mean dirty water. Pew pop. Pew pop or pew piap mean clean water. Clean water. Pat or piat mean good. Mean good water, not dirty. Pew duck. Pew duck. Pew duck mean drinking water. Pew lag. Pew lag. Pew lag mean bathing water. Bathing water. Pew itat. Pew itat mean cooking water. Pew tuch. Pew tuch mean hot water. Pew lir. Pew lir. Pew lir mean cold water. Pew murmur. Pew murmur. Pew murmur mean warm water. It's not hot and it's not cold. It's in the middle. So it's warm water, moderate. Pew murmur. Murmur mean warm. Pew ding. Pew ding. Pew ding mean rainwater. Pew ding. Pew eat. Pew eat. Pew eat. Eat. Yeah, eat. Eat mean well. Eat mean well. The one that you dig and then you get water from there. Pew eat mean water from the well. Pew aqua ich. Pew aqua ich or pew aqua ich mean water from the swamp. Water from the swamp or jama. Aqua ich mean swamp or jama. Abor. Abor a ba o ora. Abor mean plot. Flooding. Abor. Pew itony bior. Pew itony bior. Pew itony bior mean water from clay pot. Water from clay pot. Tony mean pot or a pot that is made out of clay. Pew ijerkan. Pew ijerkan. Pew ijerkan mean water from jerrycan. Water from jerrycan. Pew kartal. Piu kartal. Piu kartal mean bottle water. Bottle water. Piu ijit bottle. Piu ijit. Piu ijit bottle mean what? You guys know jit bottle well. So piu jit bottle mean what? By Dupiech Tongjang, William Majak. Follow, like, share, and subscribe. Please. Thank you very much. That is the end of the video. Dornyali kawek kuyania ugaban yok ayan usas William Majak. Please do not watch the video and you don't follow. Follow me, like, and also share to your loved ones so that they also learn Dinka language. Please like, share, and follow. Thank you very much. God bless you guys. Bye bye. Usas William Majak.